Here's how to do an oil check and an air purge on your SGS Trolley Jacks. Typically there's two types of release valve, whether it be a standard external, which you open and close with your handle, or integrated via the universal joint attached to the handle. First, remove the inspection plate. These usually held in with a couple of Phillips screws, or they just clip on. Plate off. Under here is your top up bung. They're either rubber or they'll be like a Phillips or flat-headed screw type. Pop this off. It can be a bit fiddly. There we go. Check your oil level. You can see the oil is sitting just above the piston. If it's low, you won't be able to see any on the piston. In this case, top up with a bit of hydraulic oil until you can see the oil just covering the top of the piston. Top. Clean off any spillage. Then to put the bung back in, I use a 4mm T-bar in that little hole to hold the bung and give it a sharp whack with your hand. That's in. Use that because it's blunt and it stops it from piercing the port. Next, with the valve open, 15 times, normally that's pretty good. And check for any air, just push the rubber bung to the side. Sometimes you'll hear a hiss, seems okay. Close the valve, pump the jack, should go all the way to no problems now. Fully extended, release the pressure. Then again, push the rubber bung to one side to relieve any air. And test again if you like. Any mess with a paper towel. Refit the inspection cover. good to go.